This time guys, ituturo ko naman yung ternary operator. Itong ternary operator ay almost same lang sa ating if-else statement. So let's see kung ano itsura ng ternary operator. And by the way, meron na tayong nagawang program na kung saan i-display lang yung value ni discounted na nag-hold ng y, meaning ng y natin sa part natin as yes. And let's see the output. And nag-display yung is discounted y. Now, gusto natin gumawa ng program na kung saan i-ask ni program yung age as user input, and yung age na yun, if ang age niya ay 60 pataas, means senior citizen niya siya, ay magdi-display ng is discounted y. And if hindi naman, magdi-display ng is discounted no. Gagawa natin yan using our if-else statement. Ngayon, pakita ko muna yung ating nakasanayang if-else statement. Gawa na tayo ng ating variable na mag-hold ng ating age and user input. Enter age and scanf %d for integer ang ating isa-save age, and then our if-else statement is age is greater than or equal to 60, and if greater than 60 or equal, set natin yung value ni discounted as yes, and if hindi naman, set natin yung value ni discounted as n means no. And now hindi na natin kailangan to because yung nanditong value ay si program na magsaset natin depende sa input ni user na value ng age. And let's see yung maging output nating program. Let's click begin run. Ask the user about his age. I'm 26, is discounted. Nag-no tayo dito, and let's see again if iba naman yung input natin. Let's say 60, we expect na lalabas yung y, and try natin yung 61, and so far so good yung ating program. Right now we see we have 4 lines sa part ng program na to. Try natin gamitin na yung ating ternary operator. Let's delete this line. Ito na yung ating ternary operator. Age is greater than or equal to 60 question mark, tanong yan. If ito ba ay true or false, and if true yan, close and open parenthesis. If true daw yan, ang magiging value ni discounted ay yes, and if hindi man daw yan true, ang magiging value ni discounted ay n for no. And let's see our output. May natin build and run and enter our age. Let's try ulit yung age na, let's say 35, and discounted no because hindi pa siya senior. Let's see the other output. Age 60, and it says yes. Try pa ulit natin yung isa pa as 61, and it says yes. As you can see, nakatipid tayo ng lines of code using this ternary operator. Now I'm going to explain our program again. In this part, it's a test kung true or false. And now, magiging true siya or false depende sa value ng age. And if true siya, gagawin niya itong nasa loob ni parenthesis. And if false naman, gagawin niya itong nasa loob ni parenthesis, which is isa-set niya yung value ni discounted as n. Itong parenthesis, importante din para mawasan natin yung errors. Now, try nating i-lessen pa ang ating code at mag-display na lang tayo sa loob ng ating ternary operator. And let's delete this and itong character discounted. Gusto natin mag-display na lang siya ng if true yun, printf discounted ka na, and if false daw yun, ang gagawin niya ay certain printf wala kang discount, and let's see again the result and enter our age. Let's say 26, wala kang discount, and let's try again age of 60 and discounted ka na. Try again yung age na 61 and we're good. Now, simple pa rin yung explanation nito, ganun lang din. Ang binago lang natin ay yung nasa loob, means yung mga statements natin ay pwede natin ipasok sa loob ng parenthesis na ito, tulad ng assigning value na ginawa natin kanina lang, at itong printing or pag-output using printf. Right now, yun na yung lahat about sa ternary operator. I hope may natutunan kayo. Thank you for watching, guys.